Hello and welcome back. On the board today, 4 and 4 over 5 divided by 2 and 2 over 5 multiplied by 1 and 1 over 4. Before we start, hitting like and subscribing is the best way to support this channel. Now let's solve this problem. Before we start, there is a massive trap hidden in plain sight. The multiplication at the end looks so neat and easy to calculate that almost half the people who try this will do it first. But doing that will give you the wrong answer. Multiplication and division are equal partners, so we must process them strictly left to right. The clean method is to convert everything to improper fraction first, and let's do it step by step. Take 4 and 4 over 5. Multiply the whole number 4 by the denominator 5, that's 20, then add the numerator 4, 24. So it becomes 24 over 5. Next, 2 and 2 over 5. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 12 over 5. And 1 and 1/4. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5/4. Our change is now 24 over 5 divided by 12 over 5 multiplied by 5/4. The order is locked in, left to right. First operation, 24 over 5 divided by 12 over 5. Keep, change, flip, KCF. 24 over 5 times 5 over 12. The 5's cancel out completely, and 24 over 12 is exactly 2. Very clean. Next, we multiply our 2 by 5/4. 2 times 5 is 10 over 4. 10/4 simplifies to 5/2, which is 2.5. That is our final answer. Now your turn. On the screen, 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 1 and 1 over 5 multiplied by 2.5. Same trap, different numbers. Drop your answer in the comments. I'll pin the correct one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.